What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Question. What if you've never grown your own food or you don't know anybody's ever grown their own food? Well, you here with the Mack and I've done it. So since I've done it, let's talk about it. Let's go ahead and address this. What if you've never grown your own food or you don't know anyone who has? Look, you know I got your back. So let's go ahead and get started on this so we can kind of talk about how to become a hyper local grower. So, what if you are a newbie? What if you've never grown anything in your life when it comes to food or herbs or flowers? Like, maybe you were in elementary and they told you to plant a seed or take it home over the holiday, and you know what you did? You planted a seed that never came up or that died or any of that stuff. I get it. I was there once, believe it or not. So I'm going to go ahead and break this down as honest as I can. Like I say in a lot of my videos and in some of the first ones, just start small. All right? You don't need a vast plot of land or a green thumb the size of the Hulk grow. Just begin with a few pots or a small raised bed. Kind of like dip your toe into the gardening pool. Ooh, that feels good. And embrace the learning curve. Know that there will be one. Growing your own food is a journey of discovery. There's a learning curve for everyone. Even seasoned gardeners who are once beginners. Take advantage of the wealth of information available online, in books, and from your local gardening community. Of course, from your boy right here, young Mack Mike. And learn from any mistakes that you make. Embrace them. Make them quickly so you can learn. Not every seed will sprout. Not every plant will thrive. But guess what? That's okay. It's all part of the learning process. Embrace the journey. Learn from your mistakes and celebrate the successes. Or maybe jump on here and see some of my failures or other gardeners. To ease into it, pick a few easy to grow plants. Herbs are usually always the easiest. Basil, mint, they're usually easy for beginners. Plus, look, the aroma is amazing. So if you've never grown your own food or you don't know anyone who has, don't worry. Be the first to do it because everyone starts somewhere. So until then, remember, every hyper-local grower was once a beginner. And sometimes beginner's luck is the best thing you can have. With that said, you know what it is, because I got love for those with the sun shining on my face. Who got love for me? Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Don't be scared to get growing. Make mistakes, fail forward, fail fast, and improve your health. Peace.